Okay,
Me.
2-story mixed landed, correct. Okay, most important, what's the land size? 3,009, correct. Are we ready for the video?
No.
No, it's okay, let's go. What a day! Coming home to this beautiful semi, completely rebuilt, amazing city height, and I think most important, come closer to me. You have a very nice, refreshing perimeter pool that you can have the view from your living hall and your dining experience. Come, let me show you the rest of the house. This 3-story semi-D comes with a pool right beside the living and dining room. There's even a koi pond to bring prosperity for you. There's huge parking space and an elevated garden for your green thumbs. The living room is incredibly spacious and your family will love to spend their quality time here. The contemporary kitchen features an island countertop for your food preparation needs and a wet kitchen for all your cooking needs. Okay, let's now go to level 2 where Diane is waiting for you. She will show you the 4 beautiful bedrooms. Let's go.
Now we're on the second floor. There are 3 very big and spacious common rooms. And right at the end of the corridor is the master bedroom. Come, let me show you. Now we are in the master bedroom. Look at the space. Over here, there's a work area carved out by the owners. Many people are still working from home, so this space is very useful for people who are still working from home. Come, I bring you over to the walk-in wardrobe. Wow, look at the space. Lots of room for ladies to keep their handbags and their dresses. Over here, there's a lot more room. Look at this whole space. We can put in even 3 king-size beds.
Go. Okay, now we are approaching the most fantastic part of the house, the attic level. Come, follow me. Hey, be careful, videographer. Mind your steps as you follow me up with the camera. Yeah, it's a very sturdy tripod. But anyway, welcome to level 3. This amazing, fascinating, close to 1,005 square feet of spaces. It's as huge as you can just fit a gymnastic hall over here. Come closer, let me show you more of the spaces. But imagine right now, this house, close to 5,008 square feet, there's already 6 bedrooms. You can reconfigure and add another 3 more bedrooms onto this attic level. How fascinating is that? Otherwise, you can just turn this area into a gigantic entertainment hall to entertain your loved ones, friends throughout the whole night long. Come, check out more areas of this lovely attic level. Located in the heart of a 2-story mixed landed zone, this beautiful semi-D is situated all surrounding by landed enclaves. A very nice simple walk, just 8 minutes to the future MRT. The location is excellent. With award-winning architect ADX, the detailed floor plan can be provided upon request to show you the fine details of how this beautiful house was designed.
The house is just 5 minutes away from the awesome Heartland Simpang Bedok and the nearby developing Tanah Merah hub. It is a home that every prestigious, growing family desires. Furthermore, the house is just a short drive away from the East Village and Bedok shopping complex to provide you with a wide range of dining and shopping options. Schools nearby, such as Temasek Primary and Secondary School, can meet your child's education needs. A 5-minute drive will bring you to Jewel Changi Airport, where there are plenty of food and shopping for your family. This is a low-rise density landed area. We are along a cul-de-sac, very quiet.
It's very nice, of course, to have low density, then you hear birds chirping in the foreground. Why not make an appointment with us? This is Diane Ong.
This is Paul Teo.
Call her.
Call him.
Call us.